Okay, for today, we're going to unbox itong wireless microphone sa DJI Osmo Mobile 7 na gimbal. So, unahin natin itong wireless microphone para gumanda yung audio natin. Okay, we have the clips, kanyang case and charger. Let's try lagay natin sa phone. Ipindot pa ba ito? Check mic test. Check muna natin kung gumagana before we proceed. And I think we're good to go. Isa lang muna gamitin natin. No? And unbox naman natin yung ating Osmo Mobile 7. So clip ko lang ito sa loob. So unbox natin itong Osmo Mobile 7. The gimbal itself, marong pouch. I think mag-install pa tayo ng application dito. So, cut lang din natin ulit. So, what do we have here? Our charging. So, technical yun lang naman kailangan natin. So, let's proceed. So, paano ba ito? On lang, no? This one. Okay, full charge naman. Okay, pasahin natin yung manual para mag-proceed. Okay, download ko ito mamaya. Okay, quick start guide. Okay, tingnan natin. Let's follow this. Okay, meron siyang tripod. Okay, dapat may phone connector. So, hanapin natin phone connector. Dyan. Okay, I guess working na siya. Okay, lipat ko yung phone dito sa gimbal dan gamit lang natin itong Rockit.
Mali, hindi na pindot. Ulit. Wala.